Welcome to Design Studio. In this video I will tell you how to create a room tag with the internal wall dimension. Let's create a family and let's go to annotate, and we have a family called metric room tag, and within the metric room tag, open it. You can find out label it, and go to click the vertical line, and we don't have a length. Let's create a length value, and discipline as same as it is, type length. Let's paste the formula. I'll paste it in the first comment, and then create a width, name calculated value, and put as a formula as area divided by length. Yeah, and then make it type as length. Okay, and within that suffix space x. Okay, enter, and let's drag it down to the center, and let's create another label where we have the name, apply it, and we can also change the fonts by making edit type. We have a lot of options. I'll go with century catholic, and let's save this as a family as room tag L into B. Okay, then let's load to the project. So this is a project D9 I am working, so this is the one. Let's change the family to room tag that we have created. It will automatically load it there, and this is how you can paste it and you can easily get it there. You can edit your fonts and room functions, and here we go. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will upload more valuable videos in future. So see you then. Bye, take care.